Today I will show you how to make these super trendy threader earrings. Materials you will need today are 1 inch of 20 gauge wire in the metal of your choice, chain that is 0.8 millimeters thick. The length depends on your design, 2 pieces of 20 gauge sheet metal, super glue, your soldering setup, saving solution and flux, a stencil, a saw, flush cutters, a ruler, a ball burr, a cup burr, solder, tweezers, a needle file, a sanding stick, rubber wheels, polishing wheels, and compound or a magnetic tumbler. First, I will measure out 2 pieces of chain that are 1.5 inches long. Then I'm going to cup burr the end that will not be soldered to the chain. I will super glue the 2 pieces of sheet metal together. To unglue the 2 pieces, I will gently heat them up with a gas flame. I will use a heat sink to protect the area of chain that is just below the solder joint. I will gently heat the marquee and the end of the chain. If there is excess solder on the marquee, it can be cleaned up with a rubber wheel. The earrings can then be polished with a polishing wheel at the flex shaft, or they can be tumbled in a magnetic tumbler. These earrings can be easily made with a few materials that you probably have on hand in your studio.